Hi, it's Melanie Clark from MaximisingYourSales.com.
And I'm Nick James from the Internet Marketing Training Club.
In this video we're going to show you just how easy it is to use the WebPage Customizer.
And I'll show you how you can use the WebPage Customizer to its full potential in your business.
Okay, so let's get started.
The WebPage Customizer is both quick to navigate and easy to use. The top navigation bar is where you'll find access to all of the areas of the membership dashboard, from changing your email address and password to accessing additional training and tutorial videos, or visiting the priority member support page to let us know that you've got some questions, you'd like to get in touch, or you require some additional support. At the heart of the technology used within the WebPage Customizer are something called variables. And the good news is that these variables can be used to display virtually anything that you would normally want to include on a web page. For example, to display text or images, video, payment buttons, or web forms. In fact, pretty much anything else for that matter too. Within your WebPage Customizer account, you'll have an unlimited amount of variables at your disposal to use for, well, whatever you need. I'll show you how to set up a new variable in just a moment. But as your account will have 5 handy preloaded variables included by default, let me show you just how easy it is to add a variable to any web page that you have online. You do this with a simple single line of JavaScript code, or as they're called within the WebPage Customizer, keys. All you need to do is click your mouse onto the Grab Code button for the variable that you wish to use to copy the key to your computer's clipboard. Then paste the key into your web page source code, where you would like the variable element to appear. It doesn't matter if you're creating your websites using WordPress, a traditional HTML style editor, Site Build It, MemberGate, or in fact any other style of website creation software. It will still work with the WebPage Customizer. You see, if the web publishing system that you're using allows you to copy and paste JavaScript code into the source code, and virtually all of them do, then you're good to go. In fact, we haven't yet found an editor that doesn't work with the WebPage Customizer. But if you're worried, don't be, because you're automatically going to be covered by our 100% full satisfaction 30-day full money back guarantee. Just paste the key code into your web page, update, refresh, and voila! You've now customized your first variable on the internet with the WebPage Customizer. It really doesn't get simpler than point and click or copy and paste. Now, when customers from around the world visit your website, they will now automatically see the variable that you want them to see for their specific country. Remember, all this will happen automatically, and the WebPage Customizer does all the hard work for you, identifying each web visitor by their IP address, and then matching that IP address to the country that it belongs to. So far, we've just used one of the 5 preloaded variables that's included in each new account, the currency symbol variable. However, there's also another 4 handy variables for displaying the date, a greeting, the copyright year, and also some future and past dates onto your web page. And you can put these to immediate use for your own projects. That's before you've discovered how to create your first bespoke variable. So let's do that right now. Now, for the first time, and thanks to the WebPage Customizer, it's really easy to display different words and phrases, or payment buttons and prices, and even embed entirely different videos on a sales page depending on the country location that your website visitor is from. In fact, the WebPage Customizer can even redirect your visitors to an entirely different domain name or a specific URL of your choosing if you prefer, simply by checking the Redirect checkbox option. There are plenty more video tutorials that you'll be able to access from your account dashboard to show you in detail all of the features that you have at your disposal when creating a new variable. But for now, I'm going to quickly show you how easy it is to create and set up your first one. In this example, and following on from the previous video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a variable that sells an ebook in US dollars to American customers and the same ebook in UK pound sterling to customers from the United Kingdom, and have the web page customizer automatically display the right price and the right payment button on the web page of your choice. So to get started, we go to Add New Variable and we'll give it a name. Now we're going to head over to PayPal to create two versions of the payment button we're going to need. Using the standard PayPal button generator tool from within your PayPal account, we're now going to set up one Buy Now button to sell our example ebook for $47 US, and a separate Buy Now button to sell the same ebook for £47. After creating each Buy Now button, PayPal gives us the code that we need to add a button to a page, as you would expect. It's worth noting, by the way, that while we're using PayPal in this example, you could also use ClickBank or JVZoo or whichever payment method system you like, as long as they give you a multiple currency option to choose from. Now, instead of taking the button code that we've been given and putting it directly into our web page as you would normally, we simply take the PayPal code for the first Buy Now button for $47 and we put that into the default box in the web page customizer. Now we'll go back and we'll take the second Buy Now button code and we'll paste that into the optional box and set the country for this variable to the United Kingdom. We'll scroll to the bottom of the page and we'll press Save. And congratulations, your first bespoke variable is now all set up in the system. So now we copy the key and we paste that into our web page source code. Our US customers will see a PayPal button for $47, whilst our UK customers will see their version of the button for £47. Applying this one simple technique to your web pages will allow you to pick up all that extra money that's left on the table for each and every one of your international orders from now on. And if you're wondering, yes, you can also create as many additional payment buttons as you need in PayPal and link these to as many country variable options as you need in the web page customizer. Let's say that's for customers located in Canada, Australia, Europe, etc., etc. Of course, using the web page customizer to display country-specific Buy Now buttons is just the tip of the iceberg. So I know that when you begin to see firsthand the power and the extra profits that the web page customizer could start to bring you, you'll keep thinking up new and exciting ways to use and profit by continuing to use it. Remember, virtually any HTML code can be used within the variable settings, so you can easily swap out any of the following depending on the location your website visitor is from: headlines, prices, payment buttons, banners, web videos, and much, much more.
Well, I hope you enjoy seeing just how easy it is to use the web page customizer.
And immediately how it can give you that competitive advantage in your business, just like it has for us.
Now all you have to do to get the web page customizer working for you is click the button below. Do that now, and thank you for watching.